Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in front of a E450 that we just took weights on, and you will not believe how overloaded it is.
Tech Time Tuesday.
On today's Tech Time Tuesday, we have our customer's E450 right here. If you follow me over here, you can see that this coach has a pretty massive amount of overhang. It's sitting at about 84% right now. On these, we like to see no more than 75%, so it's pretty above the range that we like to see it in. If you want to see any more tips or anything like this, please like and subscribe. Moving on to the weights, we got this thing weighed. We found out that the weight ratio on it is about 25%. So on these, we don't like to see anything less than 35%. We typically like to see them at 50% along with Class A's. Workhorses, we like to see at 55%. When you get into a bad weight ratio, that's when it starts affecting your drivability. The steering gets light, front end feels light. Just like if you were to be driving a truck with a cord of wood in the back, that front end has no weight in it, so it's real light. It doesn't steer good. That's the same thing with these. Our customer has had some pretty bad drivability issues and was wondering what could be affecting it. After getting the numbers we got, we found out he's got some pretty bad overhang and he's got a horrible weight ratio. In the past, we've welded on weight to the front. In this case, there's no really way to put any weight on the front. You could get a front hitch, put a box on it, try and move some of that weight from the rear up to the front end. And that's the way that we would start trying to fix these drivability issues. There's nothing we can do about the overhang, so that's why we try and redistribute the weight. While we go ahead and get this customer's weight ratio figured out and get him onto the road, we wish you safer and happier driving.
Tech Time Tuesday.